Okay, you should have finished that activity where you got to try to pick stocks to see how things went. If you have not done that, do that before you do this extra credit opportunity. So let's talk about the stock market activity that is going to be extra credit for you. It is important to me that you know a few things before you endeavor to do this extra credit. The first thing is that you must submit each day by 10 p.m. to remain eligible. So I will have an assignment on Canvas set up every day starting today, and you must submit by 10 p.m. If you have not and you miss the deadline or you have a problem, you don't get the extra credit, and that goes for any day. You have to do every single day to be eligible for any. As soon as you miss anything, you're at a 0 for the extra credit. And when I say miss anything, I mean miss submitting. The winner is going to get 25 points extra credit. And then people that are engaged, completing every single day, will get 20 points. And that's assuming that they followed all the directions and they've completed the majority of the calculations accurately. So as long as you give it a good attempt, then I am perfectly fine giving you 20 extra credit points at the end of it. So that is what the opportunity is going to be. So let's talk about the very first day. So let me get out of that and bring up the assignment for the first day. So here is the first day, stock market activity. So you have $1,000 maximum to spend, okay? You can purchase up to 5 different company stocks. And so the company stocks are down here. So here are their 2010 stock prices. You do not know their ticker symbol yet, and you don't know the name of the company yet. So you're just going to pick 5 stocks, up to 5, and these are the industries they're in: entertainment, technology, retail, fast food, automotive, beverage, stock index. So here's their company number, and here's the price per share for those stocks. So again, you can pick up to 5 of them. I'd do 2 to 5. You can purchase any number of shares, and you're going to have to play around with this. And then you will not find out the name of the companies until the final round of the portfolio, although I'm sure you're going to be able to start guessing what they might be. You're going to continue buying shares of those 2 to 5 stocks that you've chosen until you've reached your $1,000. You can't go over. You only have $1,000 to start. And you have to spend as much of your $1,000 as possible. So if it's feasible that you could buy another share of stock, then you have to. You have to come as close to $1,000 as you possibly can. So for me personally, I would just use kind of stock 4 as my last pick. And the reason I say that is because stock 4 is only 17 cents. So if I still have, $100 left, then I can buy however many shares at 17 cents. So that's what I would do, but you can do what you want. But you have to come as close to $1,000 as possible. And then you compute the cost by taking the number of shares purchased of each company times their 2010 price to get what their cost is. So again, I'm going to put which company numbers I chose, how many shares I'm buying of it, what that price is per share, and compute the cost. And then I'm going to total this, okay? You can total the number of shares purchased if you'd like and total the cost. You don't have to do the price per share on a total. So again, choose 5 companies down here. And remember about diversification, and what that does for you, and high risk, high reward kind of comments that we've had when we talked about stocks. So you pick your 5 stocks, I'd write down what their share price is up here, and then I'd start to say how many shares I'm purchasing and kind of keep deciding how much you want of each so that you end up at $1,000 here, nothing higher, but as close to 1,000 as you can in total. So it's going to take some trial and error to get there, and that's fine. And that is round one. And then you will want to go into your stock assignment for today. And I'm going to go ahead and go show you it. It'll be at the top by the time you do it. So today is Thursday, and you'll go in and I'll have an assignment here for stock market activity round one. And you will submit your picks with all your calculations on there. If you have any questions at all, you need to contact me during office hours, which are 9 to 12 in the morning. If you do it otherwise, I'll try to get back to you, but I may not be able to. So I will certainly try. But you must be submitted by 10 p.m. with what your picks are, your 5 companies, your shares, your prices, your costs, and the total down here. Make sure you get your names on them too. Good luck. May the best person win.